respected Chief Guest, Dr. Bhagat, Guest of Honor, Dr. Mishra, Dr. Chauhan, my colleagues and friends. I am Dr. Shamshad Hussain, Indian by nationality, but working inside Saudi Arabia for quite some time in various ministries. I worked in Ministry of Health in Saudi Arabia. Then I worked in Royal Commission of Yambu in Jubail. Now I'm working in Ministry of Defense and Civil Aviation in Armed Forces Hospital, Khamis Mushayyat, Saudi Arabia. In Armed Forces Hospital, Southern Command, this is a big hospital having all the modern facilities. We have got a separate theatre for minimal access surgery made by STAWS, which is most updated and ultra modern. And all our surgeries, so far as minimal access is concerned, is done in a special theatre, which is totally done by STAWS and managed by STAWS people. So we have excellent facilities, but the facilities won't make you do surgeries unless until you know the basics. Sometimes the camera doesn't work, it gets foggy, you have the anti-fogging, sometimes the electrical surgical generator goes wrong, and sometimes you don't have the endo loops, so you have to make the Mesler knot yourself. So those who don't have the basic knowledge of the electrosurgical generators, how to make a Mesler knot, how to make what you call other knots, intercorporeal knots or extracorporeal suturing or knots, they'll land up themselves in trouble. Now, we were general surgeons initially, and now we are being trained in minimal access. We have the background of doing open surgeries, but minimal access surgery, things are entirely different. Even the professors, once I met one professor, he was from Kanpur, he had a very roaring practice, but he wanted to shift to minimal access because he's telling my patient, they asked me the first question, are you going to operate me with a laparoscope or you are going to do open? So no general surgeon in modern times can survive without a minimal access background, because patients will ask you, are you going to operate me with a laparoscope or no, yes or no. So even if you have got a very big name in surgery, patients will drift from you and go to other hospitals or other surgeons who are doing laparoscopy from the minimal access way. Dr. Mishra has been trained in Nymal Hospital, Dundee, Scotland, by the best people in the world. Professor Kusheri, he's a big name in minimal access surgery. And from there, he got the training, and after that, he got the idea also that we can have a institute which is not up to that level, but actually similar to that level in India also. In India, I can boast now, for working in Saudi Arabia for so many years, that most of the surgeons in Saudi Arabia who are senior consultants and chief of department, they have come to this laparoscopic hospital in Saudi Arabia, in India, and got trained over here. Previously it was in Tilak Nagar, so the place was not so tidy. So most of these surgeons who were coming from Saudi Arabia were staying in Meridian or Hayat and going to Tilak Nagar. So because of the shabby place, they were not feeling so much comfortable coming from a 7-star deluxe hospital, and they land up in Tilak Nagar. But now this place is a very ultra-modern place, and it is a world-class place, and we have a world-class institution. And I personally feel very proud when most of my consultants there, they say that they got trained in Mishra, Dr. Mishra, this World Laparoscopic Hospital, and now they are doing very good in laparoscopic surgery there. Because we have the infrastructure in India, we have got excellent staff, we have got excellent facilities, but we are not selling education. Education could be a big revenue for us, and those who are working abroad, they feel this part that we are going to Liverpool, we are going. Dr. Mishra himself went to Dundee, Scotland, to get train himself in minimal access surgery. But now, such type of institute like Strasbourg or Ninewell, we have one in India also. So this is, I think, it's a landmark for us, and we feel very much proud working abroad that they are telling that we are going to India to get trained. Because most of the countries, they think that India is not at par, so they think themselves that probably they are better than us. So this is, I think, it's a landmark achievement, and it gives us a lot of pride working abroad for having a world-class institution over here. So far as this laparoscopy course is concerned, it's excellent. I mean, day by day, it is becoming better and better. It is keeping pace with the modern technology. It is keeping pace with the modern knowledge and the advancement done in minimal access surgery. So it is totally updated. You are not having a knowledge which was you were having 1 year ago, and even the training which is being done, the infrastructure, everything is very much well programmed. And from this diploma course and this fellowship course, now we have this 1 year course also of masters. So this is a great achievement, and all this dedication and goes to Dr. Mishra, who is bringing this institute to a world-class level, and day by day it's getting better and better. So my best wishes, and thank you very much for the support and for the continuing attention.